This video describes the use of the View item in the Workspace feature tree. When you select View in the feature tree, the bottom pane of the Workspace displays the current view configuration and model information, its bounding box, the number of states, parts, and other data regarding elements and results. This is also where you are able to configure the view, setting its background color. Could be a single color, or you can apply a gradient. You can also set the color of the halo that is used to highlight selected parts. For example, setting it to black. You can also select what to use to color the model. By default, the model is colored according to parts. You can also use sets to color the model, or even element types. Finally, you can select to show or hide various overlay items in the view, such as the navigation cube, the state info text, or the description box.